Well guys, a little bit tired today. Today we have some lo-fi, and we're gonna continue working on the Dungeons & Dragons feature. Last video we finished the first level character. Now we have to do the when a character level up, and so beyond first level. I swear I don't understand Adobe sometimes. Here, page 12. Here, yeah, here it is. So he gains level. When your character gains level, his or her class often grants additional features as detailed in the class description. Alright, so new skills. Let's only remember, some of these features allow you to increase your ability scores, either increasing 2 scores by 1 each or increasing 1 score by 2. New ability score. So in our case, I think we're going to roll it. So either 1 by 2 or 2 by 1. Proficiency. In addition, every character's proficiency bonus increases at certain levels. Increase of proficiency. Bonus increases certain levels. Each time you gain a level, you gain 1 additional hit die. 1 additional hit die. And this, so you roll the die. And you add the con modifier. Minimum of 1. Alternative, you can use the fixed value shown in the class entry, which is the average result of the die roll. Or use the average of so when your constitution modifier increases by 1, your hit point maximum increases by 1 for each level you have attained. That's what they were trying to explain this. Whatever. Every time the con modifier increases by 1, add 1 times levels already obtained to maximum hit points. Okay. So when your constitution modifier increases by 1, the character advancement table summarizes the XP you need to advance in level 1. Tires of play. The shading in the character advancement table shows the 4 tires of play. The tires don't have any rules associated with them. They are a general description of how to play experience users as grant. In the first levels are effective apprentice. Okay. yeah, that's it essentially. So I think that's all we need for now. So let's start working in the code. Let's keep this open just in case we need it. Yeah. Okay, so let's start with the basic class. We're going to take let's take a fighter. Yeah, let's take a fighter. So we have the cleric. Don't want the cleric. Here's the fighter. What's the other class that's available here? Rogue. Is there an archer? Maybe we could use the archer. Wizard. Actually, there's no archer. Oh well. Okay, we're gonna use the fighter then. Cleric. Yeah. So there's no archer in this textbook. So let's go for fighter. So we have 1d10 as a hit dice, so let's use it. So fighter hit dice. So it's 1d10. Okay, so fighter hit dice. Let me just remember something. So level up, new skills, you add 1 additional hit dice. Roll the hit die. Ah, okay, yeah. So every time you level up, you roll 1d10, yeah. Or 6. Or average is 6. So oh, we can do that, cool. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, cool. So we can create 2 dices with 1 single statement. Okay. So we have the fighter hit dice, which is a 1d10. And if we need anything else, you know, every time you come on focus by 1, okay, the score. So this is the only dice we're gonna need for. Okay, so let's. I don't think it would make any difference. You know what? Hit die. So D2. Nice. Should we? One D2. So, you know what? I'm thinking here, like, what if I want to roll 1d6 and 1d4? Maybe like in the whatever code it is, whatever function it is, I will just add. So this is gonna roll whatever dice it is. Yeah, so I just add like roll dice. Yeah, I execute roll dice twice and just add the results. So D2, this is the D4, D6, D7, it's actually D8, then D10, D12, and D20. So this is 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 4, so 6, so 8, so 10, 12, and 20. So these are single die. If we move these up, with Alt Shift. Yeah, that is Alt Shift. Okay. So the fighter hit dice is a 1d10, so we don't really need to make it. Let's keep it anyway. It's gonna make our lives easier in the future. What I'm thinking right now is like, I don't think we need this whole class and complicate things over and over again. But I think at certain occasions it's going to make our lives easier. For int I, what the fuck happened here? No idea what I did to the code, so I'm just gonna retrace. So apparently, yeah, these two lines that were here were extra. Keep messing up the control on the shift. So it's oh, you can. Cool. So Alt Shift. Oh, cool. Okay. So let's go for the character here. So this is gonna roll whatever dice I throw in, so 1 second guys. Somebody texted me. And so first level characters. So let's define the hit points. HP, max HP. I forgot to change the well, sorry, I forgot to change the fork I'm using on GitHub. It's cool. Each class will define different bonuses to attributes. So we're gonna take so hit points dice. 1d10 per fighter level. 10 plus constitution mod. So his HP, okay, the player HP, here it is. So the player HP, so name max HP is plus 2. Okay, so 10 plus con mod, which is a single character ever stat level. So they all start at 10. So let's see. So attack. So this is strength right now. Strength. Strength. And so strength, dex, calm, int, wisdom, charisma. So one, two, three, four, 1, 2. I'm a little bit lost right now on what I'm supposed to do, but I think we can do it. I'm sure we can do it. So strength max HP is 10 plus con mod. So this is a constructor. So whenever the character is created, okay, yeah. So 10 plus so let's set it as max HP as 10 for now. And we want, so here what we want is, we want when you create a character, so he has 1 hit die and the stats. So we're gonna roll 4d6, take 3 highest, do this 6 times. So what we're gonna do is, on the player, we're going to, let's make a whole new class. So public void choose stats. Choose starting. Choose stats. Okay, so we're gonna choose start stats. So first we're gonna roll 4d6, and so let's create an array. Let's try it with arrays here. I forgot how to declare arrays. I always forget how to declare arrays. So let's try it. So int rules equal to that's not how you do it. Or that's actually it. Let's check. So int stats int stats equal to new int bracket. There you go. So curly brackets. Alright, so it's a row dice dot row dice dot or d6. Cool. So we're starting to see some results. Start level. Yes. New character. Yes. Public static dice. I think you can start a variable with the number. Start if you guys don't. So we're gonna have to modify roll dice, and well, it returns an int value. So let's put it as an array. We're gonna return total. This is total is equal to. Ooh, that's gonna be so annoying. How are we gonna do this? So we have to take how many sides they are. Take number of sides. I'm gonna see this later on. Use number of sides. Which does being which does being a index. It's definitely not hard to do it, but I don't want to do that now. So new character dice. Let's just and start rolls equal to so roll so for each dice, so we're going to roll each dice 4 times. Roll d6 4 times, pick 3 highest. And add them to an array. This minute is so annoying. I swear. I know, like, if you listen to lo-fi, so roll d6 4 times, pick 3 highest and add them to an array. Then from this array, player can arrange it as he wishes. Player can also reroll. So roll 3 dice, pick 3 highest and add them to an array, then from this array player can arrange it as he wishes. So let's say here we're going to, so that's fitting some pseudocode. So for loop for durations, roll dice d6, add 2. Oh, we don't need to, we can use lists or queues or lists. First bust in. First, it's a stack. Yeah, but like we can pick any we can pick an item from anywhere you want. Because like if you want to, if I'm not mistaken, like from whatever, if it's from a queue, from a stack, you can pick whatever item you want from it. So So let's look for Q, what the Q can do. So insert remove element. So I don't think it's a stack we're looking for. Most definitely it's not. No, so these are the basics. Like we have more advanced operations. Yeah, so we don't want a queue, we want a list. Java list. How to use lists in Java. Do lists have indexes? Now Java. So we're going to see the difference between a array list and a built-in array. Okay, I think I got what we have to do. So roll dice. Add 2. Or wait. You can find this out, I'll have to do this later. Already as next index. Add 3 highest array as next index. Display all. All. So display all indexes in the main logic dot readent. Game logic dot read int. Okay, so int start rows equal to new int. Let's give them an row. Okay. So say about for loop, 6 iterations. So for yeah, this rolls it. Yeah, 6 times. Int 1, int 2. By 3 by 4. So if we, let's try something. I never knew Brazilian keyboard could do the symbol. Anyway, is equal to dice dot d6. so you actually cannot do that. Okay. Let's Google that, whatever. There's nothing wrong with Googling. Comparing 4 ints and discarding the post. That was new. So maybe what we can do is we create a variable so we create a variable int, not here, no. Yes, here, int smallest row, smallest row is equal to dice dot size. Right. So, for example, if it's a d6, it's gonna be a 6. Right. Yeah, it's going to be a 6. So here, inside this for loop, so current row is going to be 1 plus the row, current row. So if it's not here, I'm supposed to do that. Anyway. I mean, yeah, then, so this is the smallest row, right? So public int smallest row. So here we're gonna set smallest row is equal to dice dot size. All right. Okay, so smallest row equal to okay, so smallest row equal to size. So here, if current row less than smallest row, which I guess has to be static. Uh, yep. That's it. So now, are we gonna pull this? So we don't need this. We just here. So we're gonna int start goes. Yeah, so roll 4d6. Yeah, so we're gonna roll dice. We're gonna roll dice dot so public static dice start rolls equal to new dice equal start size dice 4 6. And dice roll dice equals start. That's dice. And then so roll and roll equal to dice roll minus equal dice dot smallest roll. So yeah, and then how do we add? How to add value to an array? So we're gonna use the index. So start rows I equal to row. What exactly is this? This is going to give me some problems later on. I think so, at least. Anyway. So start rolls equal to both. So int roll dice, start dice, roll dice, smallest roll. I lost focus. So already added high dice, so we're gonna display all indexes in the game logic using Radiant. Okay. So logic dot print header your rules. System sort 1. Start equals 0. So what I want to do here is print all of them. So from 1 to 6, and then the player can like read end, and then like which one's going to strength. That's what we're gonna do. So test it. Index out of bounds. Yeah, I think that's not declared. Sorry guys. So it was giving out of bounds error. Oh, there you go. It worked. Here. Oh. Seis 12. 6-12. Wow, those are nice rolls. Let me try again. Because if it gives more than 18, that means it's not working properly. 18. So far so good. I think it actually worked. Oh, no, it didn't. Okay, so dice dot start stats dice dot smallest roll. Let's do that now. It's not supposed to get 19. I think now it's gonna work. This was my original idea. I think it worked now. Let's do 4 more tests and we're done for today. 1, 2, 'I don't know. I still have no idea how to use NetBeans. At least this new version. So three, 4. Okay, I think I got it. 5, let's do 1 more. Yep, it worked. So today we worked on level up. We worked on some of the level up designs, ideas, whatever we might implement or not. And we worked on the choose start stats function in the player class, which implements roll dice. And in the roll dice, we added the smallest roll parameter variable, and we also added the single dice, and we added the start dice, which is 4d6. Thank you.